Hey guys, we received these headlight designs, 9 colorful classroom motivational posters for classroom decor. So these are really nice printed ones. This is for the test and try samples, so you can see the quality of the posters. So these posters are really a good size, and the printing is also very crisp and so it's a print. So looks very nice, and you can see the quality of the posters as well. So there are 9 inspirational posters that you can put it in your classroom for the kids, and it's good to learn, easily readable, and good vibrant color, so good printing and good quality with the nice messages on the top. So you can use it in your classrooms. These are the all 9 colorful posters for that use. So this is also like motivational things for the kids and also a learning and reading things that they can read on a daily basis in the class. So you can put these posters on every corner of the classroom and it will help the kids for the giving the directions and things. So the nice pairs of 9 colorful posters, good printing and good quality.